Yeah, okay, hello. Let's continue again. I want to continue to practice reading and speaking in English. And now today is day Tuesday. This is day 46. And now I want to continue bringing the topic is the my first sprint planning. Good morning, Sophie. Morning, Is everyone waiting for the meeting? Yes, we're about to start sprint planning. I heard that term before, but you've never joined one. This is my first time. Perfect. We learned a lot today. I hope so. Why do you sound worried? I don't know what I'm supposed to say. You don't have to know. You don't have to know everything. I heard that sentence many times because it's still true. Fair enough. Do you know what sprint planning is? Not really. It's how the team decides what to work on next. So when making a plan together, exactly. I thought the manager decided everything. Not one, not on the same. Really, everyone's give input. Even junior developers, especially junior developers. Why? Because you will be doing some of the work. That makes sense. The meeting is starting. Alright, everyone, let's review the backlog. What's the backlog? A list of tasks we want to complete. Good. Our highest priority is improving the employee management system. That's the project I'm working on. Exactly. We have 5 tasks for this sprint. Only 5? Some tasks are bigger than they look. I've learned that lesson already. The first task is adding advanced search filter. What do you think? It sounds manageable. What makes you think that? The basic search already exists. Good observation. We're extending something instead of starting from scratch. Easily. The second task is exporting report to Excel. It sounds bigger. Why? We'll probably need a new library, possibly, and we'll need to test different file formats. Very good. How confident are we about this test? Can I answer? Of course. I think we should spend some time researching first. Good suggestions, really. Yes, I wasn't sure if I should speak. Everyone's perspective is valuable. That's nice to hear. Do you have any concerns? Actually, go ahead. I'm not familiar with the Excel library yet. Thanks for telling us. I thought I should hide that. No. Why? Planning only works if everyone is honest. That makes sense. We'll pair you with Sophie for the task. Perfect. Happy to help. Thanks. And Andrix, we should confirm that export format with the client. Good point. I don't even think about it. That's why we plan together. More people notice more things. Exactly. Can I ask you something? Sure. Why don't we just start coding immediately? Because planning saves time later. Even if the meeting takes an hour. Yeah, especially then. Interesting. Imagine building a house, okay? Would you start without a blueprint? Probably not. Software isn't that different. I like that example. Good. Alright, everyone, we have our plan. That went better than I expected. How do you feel? Less nervous? Anything else? More involved? That's important. I thought meetings were just about listening. And now I realize they're also about contributing. Exactly. Even if my contribution is just one good question, sometimes that's the most valuable contributions. One sprint at a time, yeah, one sprint at a time. One task at a time, yeah, one task at a time. One improvement at a time, of course, one improvement at a time, and one success sprint at a time. Absolutely, one successful sprint at a time. Thank you. Okay, in day 46, this is the present. Um, I'm watching the um, mm, 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 this is the similar in team is using Agile or Scrum, but the sprint planning, backlog, priority race, and for this topic, this is have one lessons important about planning only works if everyone is honest. So let's before we start the project, in the first is we have to planning all of them to improve the work is effectively and fast. And maybe for today in the 46 is enough, and thank you for watching. See you next time.